viewers, welcome to Speed Math Techniques with Jikku and Jikku. Today we are going to learn how to do easy multiplication with numbers between 6 and 20. Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to multiply numbers between 6 and 20 with a shortcut method. So, as an example, we are going to have 16 times 9. There are 4 steps in total. For step 1, we have to identify the working base. So, we need a number which is a multiple of 10, which is closest to 9 and 16 in this case. 10 is the nearest, so that will be our working base. Step 1 is complete. In step 2, we have to subtract 16 and 9 from the base. 16 minus 10 equals 6 and 9 minus 10 equals minus 1. Step 2 is complete. Step 3, we have to multiply and cross add. And then multiply 6 and minus 1. Then multiply 6 and minus 1. And then you get minus 6. Next you cross add 16 and minus 1 or 9 and 6. You get 15 in both of the ways. Step 3 is complete. Step 4, we'll get to the last step, and this is our final answer step. Now, 15 tens is equivalent to 150 ones. But in order to get the result, we have to subtract 6 and from 150. 150 minus 6 equals our answer, 144. Very easy, isn't it? I'll provide you one more example now, which will make it more clearer. Now, we have got an example, 17 times 6. So there are 4 steps in total. In step 1, we identify the working base. So, like before, we did a multiple of 10, and which is closer and between 6 and 17. That can be 10 only. So 10 is our working base. Step 1 is complete. Step 2, we have to subtract 17 and 6 from the working base 10. So 17 minus 10 equals 7 and 6 minus 10 equals minus 4. Step 2 is complete. In step 3, we have to multiply and cross add. First, you have to put all the numbers and then draw a line, and then when the multiplication bar comes, you have to multiply 7 and minus 4 to get minus 28. Next, you have to cross add 17 plus minus 4 or 6 plus 7. You get 13. So 13 will be our tens and minus 28 is our ones. Step 3 is complete. Step 4, we are on our final answer step. So now we have to know what 13 tenths is equal to. 13 tenths is equal to 130. Now in order to get our answer, we have to subtract 28 from 130. 130 minus 28 is 102, which is our answer. That completes step 4. Help! Suku is trying to catch up with Jikku on this technique. Would you be able to help him? Now we have got 17 times 14, 19 times 12, 16 times 19 and 18 times 15. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the information bell.